students, today we will discuss the most important topic of English language, and most of the times MCQs for the entrance test or any test for the job are taken from this topic. The name of the topic is subject-verb agreement, the most difficult topic in English language, and many times a student fail to solve MCQs regarding subject-verb agreement. So before going into the details of the topic, we need to know what exactly is subject and how will we define the subject and how will we define the verb. The subject is, as it is written on the board, you can see, a subject can be a word or a group of words which either does some work in the sentence or about which something is said. What is exactly subject is? Subject is a word, it can be one word or a group of words which either does some work in the sentence or about which something is said, that is called subject. Look at the examples. She eats meal. Now who does some work in the sentence? She does work in the sentence. She is the subject of the sentence. He wins the game. Who wins the game? He wins the game. The work is done by he. He is the subject of a sentence. I have done my work. I is the subject of a sentence. We are students. We is the subject of a sentence. The people of Pakistan are hard working. Here, who are hard working? The people of Pakistan. About whom is said? The something is said about the people of Pakistan. People of Pakistan will be the subject of a sentence. I and my brother are in the class. For whom something is said? It is I and my brother. So when we look here, she is the subject of a sentence. He is the subject of a sentence. I is the subject of a sentence. She, he and I. They do some work in the sentence. When a word or a group of words does some work in the sentence, that is called the subject of a sentence. Second part of the definition is about which something is said. For whom something is said? We is the subject of sentence. For whom? Who are the hardworking? People of Pakistan are hardworking. This is the subject of sentence. I and my brother, who are in the class? I and my brother, this is the subject of sentence. So subject can be one word or it can be the group of words. Now the second thing that we will discuss is verb. Verb is a word which shows us 5 things. It shows us 5 things, and these 5 things are state, quality, existence, possession and action. She is a teacher. Is here shows state. You are a good student. R shows quality. I am in the class. M shows existence. He has got a car. Has got shows possession. She sings a song. Sings shows action. A word which shows us 5 things: state, quality, existence, possession and an action is called verb. So subject can be singular or it can be plural. Verb can be singular or verb can be plural. So see, he, she, it and singular nouns, they are called singular subjects. You, we, they and plural nouns are called plural subjects. I and you, they are numerically singular. I is numerically singular, it means one. I means one person. You singular. But they act as the plural. I and you, they are numerically singular, but they act as plural. So singular verbs are is, was, has, does. These are the singular verbs. Are, were, have and do, they are the plural verbs. So when we add SRES with the verb, it becomes singular, and verb without SRES is plural. So after discussing the definitions of subject and verb, and after discussing what are the singular subjects and what are the plural subjects, what are the singular verbs, what are the plural verbs, we go to the main topic. The topic is subject-verb agreement. It means subject must agree with the verb in terms of number and in terms of person. So the rule number 1 is a singular subject always takes a singular verb. He eats meat. He is a singular subject. It must take a singular verb, that is eats. It sings a song. It is a singular subject. It must take a singular verb, that is song. A doctor treats patient. Doctor is a singular subject and it must take a singular verb, that is treats. A pilot flies a plane. A pilot is a singular verb and it must, pilot is a singular subject. It must take a singular verb, that is flies. The rule number 2 of the subject-verb agreement is plural subjects take plural verbs. The boys sing songs. Boys is a plural subject and the sing is a plural verb. The boys sing song. Students make noise. Students is plural and the make is also plural. The birds fly in the air. The birds is plural and fly is also plural. Rule number 3 is when two subjects are connected by and, they take plural verb. The doctor and the nurse have gone. The doctor is one subject and the nurse is another subject, and both of them are connected by and. When two subjects are connected by and, they take plural verb. The doctor and the nurse have gone. The student and the teacher are non-serious. The student is singular verb and the teacher is another singular verb, and both of them are connected by and. When two singular, either they are both are singular or both are plural, or one of them is singular and the other is plural, and they are connected by and, they take plural verb. The student and the teacher are non-serious. The student and teacher, these two subjects are connected by and. When two subjects are connected by and, they take plural verb. The principal and the teachers were on a strike. Here the principal is singular. This is one subject and the teachers is plural. This is another subject and these two subjects are connected by and. One is singular and the other is plural. Even then they take plural verb, were on strike. Now the rule number 4 has two parts, 4a and 4b. If two subjects are connected by and both of them are singular. When two subjects are connected by and both of them are singular and they refer to the same person or same thing, there we take a singular verb. His son and I was born in February. Here the son and the I both are the same person. His son and I was born in February. Our principal and English teacher, the same person. A principal as well as English, he teaches us English. Both are the same person, they take singular verb. When two singular verbs are connected by and both of them refer to the same person or same thing, they take singular verb. For B is if they refer to two different people or two different things, a determiner will be used with the subject nearest to the verb. His son and the I. This determiner shows that both are not the same person. Both are not the same people. So, in this case, we use plural verb. His son and ire, singular. His son and the ire. His son or his ire, the determiner is used here. It means they are two different people. When they refer to two different people, we use plural verb with them. Our principal and English teacher means both of them are same person. Our teacher and our English teacher, it means they are two different people. Listen to us. When two singular nouns are connected by and they do not refer to the same person, we use plural with them. In this case, a determiner will be used with the subject nearest to verb. I is nearest to the verb, we use the as determiner. English teacher is nearest to the verb and we use our is a determiner. In this case, we don't use singular with them, rather we use plural with them. This follows the same method as we have discussed in rule 3. Now rule 5 is, if a subject of the sentence contains prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is a phrase which contains preposition in it. Then the prepositional phrase will not be the part of subject and the verb agrees accordingly. The attitude of boys. This is the subject of a sentence. Of boys is a prepositional phrase. It will not be the part of subject. The attitude is singular. Verb will be singular. The attitude of boys is not up to the mark. The color of his eyes. Of his eyes is a prepositional phrase. The color is singular. We use singular verb with them. Our teacher with his wife and children is in the party. Now, with his wife and children are prepositional phrase. This will not form the part of subject. The subject is our teacher. Our teacher is singular. We will use singular verb with this. Now coming to the rule number 6. If two subjects are connected by either are or neither are. If two subjects, two nominatives are connected by either are or neither are and both of them are singular, the singular verb is used. Either a customer, customer is singular, or a shopkeeper, shopkeeper is singular. Both of them are connected by either are is to be blamed. So verb we have used is singular. Neither the dog is singular, nor the cat is in the yard. Now both of them are singular and they are connected with neither nor, the verb will be singular. When two subjects are connected by either are or neither nor and both of them are singular, a singular verb will be used. Rule number 7 is, if two subjects are connected by either are or neither nor and both of them are plural, the plural verb will be used. Either the students or the teachers. The students is plural, the teachers is also plural. Take the lead. So when two subjects are connected by either are or neither nor and both of them are plural, plural verb will be used. So what we have discussed till now is rule number 2, plural subjects take plural verb. When two subjects are connected by and, if they both of them are singular, both of them are plural, and one of them is singular, other is plural, they take plural verb. When two singular subjects are connected by and both of them refer to the same person or something, they take singular verb. And in case they refer to two different people, a determiner will be used with the subject nearest to the verb. And if a subject of a sentence contains prepositional phrase will not be the part of subject and verb agrees accordingly. And rule number 6 is, when two subjects are connected by either are or neither nor and both of them are singular, the singular verb will be used, and both of them are plural, plural verb will be